Hello all my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tezip sir and this is a fourth mathematics class. So all my dear students, take out your book and you have to write in your fair book. Okay, so in last lecture we had completed how to read a 5 and 6 digit number. 5 digit number we have completed, but 6 digit number we have still left. So now we are going to move on further a new topic, place value chart. Okay, so first of all you have to put a heading over there, mathematics place value chart. That is the first topic. We are going to learn the first topic. Got my points, all of you? So first of all you put a heading over there, maths chapter number 1, place value and place value chart. So note down that topic all my dear students in your book dear. Okay, and what you have to write my dear students with me? Do it fast all. Okay, so first is what? The place value, the place value means we have to write here the topic with me, the path that a plane takes from one place to another is called flight hour, flight route, or an air route. There are 49,871. Okay, what all my dear students? 49,871. 49,871. Got my points? Add roots. Add roots in the world. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all have understood. And now what you have to write? You have to write the place value chart with me, all my dear students, with the help of pencil and or scale. So you have to note down with me, all my dear students. Do it fast all. Okay, all my dear students, you have to do it with me, write it with me in your book. Okay, so first is You have to write it with me and you have to draw with me. Chalo. Draw it fast, all my dear students. I hope you all are understood, all of you. Thousand period. Okay, first is thousand period and here is the ones period. Why we have to mention in ones period? Because of ones. First is ones coming, then after tens, then after hundred. So ones is coming a one time, and tens is coming a one time, then after hundreds will come one time, and here thousands coming in two times. Because of we are going to rewrite the thousand periods, thousand and here 10,000. That's why we separate the thousand period and ones period. Okay, thousands will come two times, thousand or 10,000. That's why we are going to be write the separate. Understood, all my dear students? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. All. So you have to note down these all things in your book, dear. First of all is what? 10,000. And here is what, all my dear students? Only 1,000. 1,000. Okay. And after that 1,000 is what? Hundreds. Hundreds. Okay, hundreds. Hundreds. Then after it a tens. And then after last is ones. Got my point? So you have to note down these all things in your book here. I hope you all are understood. And as like that we have to write. What is you have to write? You have to write as like that in your book. Got my point for all of you? And then here we have to do the separate. This number 49,871. We have to put a place 1 in a place of ones. Then after 7 we have to write the place of tens. Then 8 we have to write the place of hundreds. Then further 9 we have to write the place of thousand. And further 4 we have to write the place of which 10,000. So our main answer is what? 49,871. As like that, all my dear students, we have to read a 5-digit number. Again, I am going to repeat for you the path that a plane take from one place to another is called a flight route or an air route. There are 49,871 air routes in the world. We have to write in your notebook, dear. Do fast. I am waiting for my dear students. Got my point for all of you? Where you have to write in your rough book. Again, I am going to be repeat for you, all my dear students. Place where you chart the path that a plane takes from one place to another is called the flight route or an air route. Okay, in our whole word route, air route line is how long? 49,870. Okay, and then after 49,871 we are going to be put in a place value chart and we have to do the separate. First is the ones period and here is the 1000 periods. Okay, so why we have to separate the 1000 periods and ones period? See here, ones, tens and hundreds. We have to repeat a one times. Okay, one times will come ones, one times will come a tens and one times will come a hundreds. But thousand and thousand we are going to be a confusing. That's why we have to do the separate 1000 periods and ones period. So in 1000 periods is first is 10,000 and 1000. So that's why we are going to do the separate period. Okay, so do it fast, my dear students. You have to note down in your book. Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. And further, we will going to move on example. Okay, so now I am rub this paragraph or sentence, 2 to 3 sentence. While and further, we have to write the further sentence. So note down with me, all my dear students. Okay, place value chart. The place, as per I was told you, the place value chart has been separated into two groups. Groups, and it's called period. What we called, and it's called period. Okay, my dear students. Note down these definitions of period or important blank or statement. Good night, all of you. We have to note down in your book. I hope you all are understood, my dear students, and you have to write it in your rough book now. Fast all. Okay, and one more statement. You have to write it with me. The ones period. What, my dear students? The ones period means this. The ones period has three places. These three places, all my dear students, hundreds, and then after tens and ones. Okay, my dear students, note down this second sentence. The ones period has a three place. What? The ones period has three place. 100, tens and ones. We are only discuss the topic of ones period. Ones period has what, my dear students? 100, tens and ones. So do it fast. Then the further sentence, the 1000 period has a two. The thousands period have a two place. 10,000 and 1,000. So note down with me, all my dear students, that sentence. The 1,000 period has two place. to place. First is 10,000, 10,000, and the second one is 1,000. Thousands. Okay, all my dear students, when we write a number without using chart, we use a comma to separate the period. Okay, means comma, we have to put a comma. Okay, we have to put a comma for separating what? The period. When we write a number without using chart. But which chart, my dear students? Place value chart. So we use a comma. We use what? We use a comma to separate the periods. Okay, my dear students, note it down the important instructions, and then we will going to be move on example. Okay, how we will going to be separated, what my points, and then after we will going to move on for the 6-digit number, means how to read a 6-digit number. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, all of you. Do fast on. Okay, so again I am going to be repeat for you place value chart. The place value chart has been separated into the two groups are called period. As per we know that charts, here is the ones period and here is the 1000 period. The ones period has 3 places. Which 3 places? Okay, so it is hundreds, tens and ones. Got my points, all of you? And the 1000 period has been 2 places. Once again I am going to be repeat for you. Ones period has 3 places. Which 3 places? 100, tens and ones. And the 1000 period has 2 places, 10 and thousands. What my points? Sorry, 10,000 and 1000. Okay, again I am going to be repeat for you. The 1000 period has 2 places, 10,000 and 1000. That is both what? Places for 1000 periods and 3 places for 1 period. Okay, now when we write a number without using a place value chart, we use a comma. What we have to use? We have to use the comma. Single invitate a comma. You have to mention that word in your book. Okay, when we write a number without using a chart, we use a comma to separate the periods. Okay, I hope you all are understood. So do it fast in your book. And then we will going to move further example, face value and place value of the digit. Okay, so now I am going to teach you what is a face value and place value. F-A-C-E, face value and place value. So by all of you, I hope you are understood and you have to note down it in your book. What my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood. So do fast, all of you. Now we will going to move on further. The example. You have to write with me, all my dear students. The further topic. What is the further topic? Example. So let's check, my dear students. Let's you have to write with me the further example. Further example is what? Example is what? Example number. Examples. Okay, and you have to note down the. You have to note down with me that example. Okay. Do it fast, all my dear students. Take the number. What we have to take? Take the number. Take the number. Which number we have to be use here? We have to use here 40 number. 49,871. Got my points? We have to use that number. So now we are going to be write the place of what here. First of all, we are going to be write the place of all my dear students. Which place we have to write? We have to write the first 1000 periods. TTH means what? TTH means 10,000. Then after 1000 TH means 1000. Okay, and then after 100. Then after tens, then after ones. Okay, this is not or this is a ones. Okay, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens and ones. And we have to put that place on my dear students. 10,000 in 10,000 of 4 is over there. 9 is over there. Then after for 100. So 100 for what we have to use? 8. Tens for 7 and ones for 1. Okay. So what we have to do, all my dear students, we have to write these all things here. We have to write the place value of the digit. Okay. So first is what? First is here. We have to write the first is here. It's like that, all my dear students. In the place of face value or place value. Okay, so first is what we have to write here? 1. We have to write a 1. Then after the second is what? Second is okay, then after what we have to put here? We have to put here the third digit. Third is 100. 100, so we have to put 800. As like with me, all my dear students. Do it fast. Okay, then after it's a 9. So 9 for what we have to put? 9 for 9,000. 9,000. 2, 3, and comma is what? Suggestion. Comma is what? Comma is for separating the periods. Comma is for what? Comma is separating for the period. All my dear students, do fast with me. Okay, and then last is 4. 4 is what? Suggestion. 4 is 40,000. 40,000. Okay, all my dear students, you have not done with me in the book. As like that, you have to draw the dotted line in where the place value is example. Do my all dear students with me, do fast one. Understood all of you? You have to do as like that. You have to write the place value. What you have to write, all my dear students? You have to write the place value. Okay, so do it fast, all my dear students. And it's what a place value of the digit. Place value of the digit of the digit. Okay, my dear all students, you have to note down it here. So do fast, all my dear students, and then after we will going to be write the face value. Okay, what we have to write here? The face value of the digit. What we have to write, all my dear students? We have to write the face value. Face value of the digit. But my points, all of you, I hope you all are understood. So you have to write it with me. The face value of the given number. Okay, so not done with me, all my dear students. It's all bracket. First is what you have to write this here, place value, and here the face value. 1 multiplied by 1. 1 ones are 1. Then after 7 multiplied by 10. Then here is 8 multiplied by 100. Here is 9 multiplied by 1000. And here is what? 4 multiplied by 10,000. This is a place value, all my dear students. What is this? This is a face value. Do it fast, all my dear students. The place value and face value. What, all my dear students? This is a face value and place value. Okay. So you have to write the place value and face value as like that. Got my points? All of you do fast all. You have to write as like that the all things in your book. I am going to be explaining you here. This is 4. 4 is in the place of what? 10,000. Okay. This is a place of 10,000. 9 is a place of 1000, 8 is a place of 100, 7 is a place of 10, and 1 is a place of ones. So place value of ones is 1, place value of tens is 17, place value of 800s is 800, tens place value 9 is 9,000, and 4 is place value of 10,000, means 14,000. And what is the place value of this digit? 1. So 1 ones are 1. Okay. 7. 7 tens are 70. 8 hundreds are 800. 9 thousands are 9,000. Okay. And 4 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 14,000. Got my points? So as like that, we have to find the place value. We have to write the place value and face value. Let's check what is the difference between place and face. It's called a face value and it's called a place value. Means place value for what? We have to write the all places. Got my points? What we have to write? Places. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, thank you so much my dear students, all of you, thank you so much once again for watching this video. Thank you all, and this work you have to write in your rough book. Thank you all.